Welcome back to the MyWallSt YouTube channel. What we've got in store today is an analysis of one of the fastest growing sectors in the software as a service industry, cybersecurity. We're going to be running through a quick analysis of the market and then breaking down two stock picks that we think could be potential market leaders over the course of the next decade. But before we dive into that, we'd like to introduce to you one of the benefits of downloading the MyWallSt app, Analyst Insights. We're stock market specialists, but we don't ignore the changes going on across the financial landscape. One of our very own financial analysts, Mike O'Mahony, recently published his take on NFTs, the benefits, the risks, and where its future lies. Check it out by clicking the link in the description to sign up and head on over to the MyWallSt app today to get access to this insight and more on a weekly basis. With that in mind, back to our two top picks. Let's kick it off. Phishing attacks by email, website hacks, extortion schemes, malware, denial of service, server attacks, the list goes on. As the world turns digital, it's becoming an inevitability that businesses have to protect themselves with cybersecurity solutions. It's estimated that a cybercrime attack occurs every 11 seconds, and the pandemic certainly hasn't helped either. Estimates predict that there has been a 600% increase in cybercrime since the onset of COVID-19. The costs of business, not limited to any one factor, say financial losses, reputation damage, legal liability, as well as squandered productivity, are expected to total $10.5 trillion in business costs by 2025. So it's no surprise the industry is growing so rapidly. The total addressable market is expected to be worth a staggering $366 billion by 2028 because of this. Organizations with well-integrated functions for identifying assets and risks are nearly 40% stronger at threat detection and response. Increasingly, there's also a need for cybersecurity in small and medium-sized businesses too. It's estimated that 43% of attacks are aimed at small businesses and only 14% are well-equipped to manage potential threats. So there's a largely untapped opportunity for companies out there, and we're going to discuss two that we think will be top performers next, and these are already part of the MyWallSt shortlist. The first one is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is a cloud-native platform providing end-to-end solutions for cybersecurity threats faced by companies. Its diverse portfolio of customers includes 37 of the top 100 companies globally, 13 of the world's major banks, 5 of the largest top 10 global healthcare providers, and 7 of the 10 largest energy solutions businesses in the world. In its most recent quarter, the company added 1,638 new customers, bringing the total to 16,325. It grew annual recurring revenue to more than $1.73 billion too, a 65% year-over-year increase with a record $217 million added in Q4. One partner in particular has fueled this growth, and that's Amazon. Annual recurring revenue transacted through AWS Marketplace increased more than 100% from the year prior. Not to mention, at the end of January, CrowdStrike had $2 billion in cash and cash equivalents to support its future growth. CrowdStrike has new developments working closely with Amazon Web Services and continued expansion of its product offering for AWS customers. It was also announced that CrowdStrike Falcon Horizon will be the provider for Google environments, making CrowdStrike the management solution for the 3 largest cloud providers in the world. Then there's Cloudflare. Cloudflare is the network that protects corporate structures by securing websites, access, and applications across businesses. Its network is integrated seamlessly with its customers' businesses to provide global protection from unwanted attacks on content delivery networks and site domains. In its Q4 2021 results, the company reported that it has 125% net dollar retention. This is a testament to its service driven by large enterprise customers, because it means its clients are staying with them longer and spending more. Total revenue for 2021 came to $656 million, and that was a 52% increase from the year prior. Additionally, gross profit margins expanded a full percentage point during the year, from 76.6% in 2020 to 77.7% in 2021. Cloudflare exited the quarter with more than $1.8 billion in cash and cash equivalents on hand. And the company is seemingly making all the right moves strategically as well. It strengthened its portfolio of cybersecurity services too, with the strategic acquisitions of phishing experts such as Area 1 Security and app security manager Vectrix just recently. These both follow on from its Zaraz acquisition last year that will support third-party performance solutions. This collective will allow Cloudflare to grow its services and offer new diverse product offerings to customers well into the future. So there we have it. If you want to learn more about either of the companies mentioned, you can head on over to their own investor relations web pages, or you can download the MyWallSt app to get our full thoughts. Cybersecurity is just one of the spaces that we're watching closely. There are plenty more companies we analyze outside of that realm. We add a new stock pick to the MyWallSt app every single month, so if you want to check out our list of market-beating stocks and see what we're investing in this month, download the app and start your subscription today. Until next time, happy investing.